Hey guys, we are setting up a Discord server. Hold your horses. I didn't know what it was before either. But essentially what it is our very own WhatsApp. WhatsApp. It is a chat server allowing all of us to be able to talk to each other about whatever it is, but more specifically, because we are School of Wok, around Asian cuisine. We want School of Wok and our Patreon users to be able to really have a proper open chat around Asian cuisine. So we've got great channels, all of our episodes from YouTube will be up on the server, but more importantly, there's a general chat function there for you guys to ask questions to us and the rest of the community, and us to ask questions to you and learn from each other. Isn't that amazing? I think it is. I can't wait to chat to you guys more openly about anything around Asian cuisine.